Welcome to a point of view test drive in an Audi RS6 Performance. So let's go for a spin. I'll show you this. Look at that down there. I love puddle lighting, look. The 4 rings. So the car starts from around £85,000, but this one's almost 100 grand with options. How do I turn it on? Oh, there's the button. That's why I've waited till it's almost dark to show you this car, because I wanted to show you. I'm going to do it again. The puddle lights. So cool. Right, so I've got a 4 litre twin turbo V8. I'm going to put it into dynamic mode when I figure out where the button is. Righto. Is that into sports? Let's do it. So this is a very fast car, 0 to 60. In fact, let's just launch the bugger. I'll show you. 0 to 60 in no time at all, 3.7 seconds. So here we go. 0. $60 was way then, back then. Gonna do 100. 120. 140. Heck, this thing is super fast. 750 newton meters of torque. Doing 100 and look at that, 100 and whoa, almost 170. Apparently I'll do 189, but I've bottled it. I am bottling it. That's enough for me, thank you very much. So there, whoa, fast car. What's it like through the bends? Feels like I'm standing still. I'm doing 60 still. It's a bit of a big old thing through the bends, I have to say. But you got 4-wheel drive traction to pull you out. Oh my god, it's fast. So yeah, Quattro all-wheel drive doing its thing there. Wow, what a fast car. I think I might just leave it with this collection of other cars. Look, that'll do. Let's just park it here. Just randomly. Why not? Why the heck not? I'm done. So yeah, Audi RS6 Performance. Now, if you click on the pop-out banner on the link below the video, you can go to carwow.co.uk to see what deals you can get on this car, or any car for that matter. Also, click on the video windows to watch more of our content. Hope you enjoyed the video.